where we're staying. Good morning. Welcome to day one at the Lakeside Inn, the most historic hotel in Florida, and where we're staying and going on an adventure. All right, so this is like we're old school, we're Keys, and I'm cheating a little bit. This is the room we're in. I'm cheating a little bit because we've been here since yesterday, and Az was like, you know, you should film some stuff for Travel with Des. Like, why not? And I'm like, you know what? That's a great idea. So that's what we're doing. So we are here in the Sunset Cottage. Is this place haunted? Probably. All right, so this is the room. It's like, this is what the beds look like when they're put together. And this is what they look like when they're chaotic. Because, like I said, this is a work trip with Nidus, and we got here yesterday, so we're cheating. Here's like the little bathroom with the little clawfoot tub. Well, actually not clawfoot, but like that old school, like that tub thingy. You know what I'm talking about. And they got little historical stuff like on the wall about the hotel, which is really cool. It's kind of like throughout all the ground. We did this scavenger hunt. Foot peel. We did the scavenger hunt last night and it was free. Well, actually, this is the Mount Dora one. We had to hand in our other one. We haven't finished this one yet. But anyways, we got a free magnet and a free keychain because they were like, please don't steal the keys. Here's a free keychain. Yeah, here's a free cheesecake. Yeah, so this is Sunset Cottage. It was built in 1914. We have the terrace building here. It's right on the water. And then here's like the main building with the restaurant. We ate there yesterday. I'll put a little picture of like our food and stuff in the sunset. It was really pretty. Here is, I think it was called the Gables and the Garden House. The Garden House. Gables and the Garden House. The Gatehouse. And then they have an outdoor pool and a bar, and it's right on the water. And yeah, that's a little 2-cent outside tour. Well, actually there's a garden that we missed, but we'll go check that out later. We're gonna go up for breakfast. All right, there are two buildings here. We have the Gables, which was built in 1927. And then we have the Gatehouse, which is also a gift gallery. And it's right in there. We're getting crepes. All right, well, our crepes are creping. We're going into the Magic Tea Market to get some bubble tea. I lied, they don't open till 1 o'clock. We are not getting bubble tea. All right, we got boba. And then over here, it's like a little mural and a little gnome. He's so cute. Oh, I must have got sunscreen on my camera. That's better. This is what I got for me. Well, not my appetizer. It is an appetizer, but this is what I got instead of pizza. Everything is just so pretty here. All right. Here's where we ended up eating yesterday. Ta-da. We're doing everything backwards, but that's okay. Water.